Hello everyone, welcome to Basic Electronics Virtual Laboratory. In today's session, we will learn the experiment RC frequency response. So just click on RC frequency response. So in this, the objective is RC circuit as a low pass filter and RC circuit as a high pass filter. So just click on simulation, and today we will discuss RC low pass filter. So it is a passive filter, and we all know that the application of filter is to pass or to block a particular range or particular frequency. So on the left hand side there is a list of instructions which we have to follow for the simulation of this practical. So first is set the value of load resistance, that is 10 kilo ohm. Set load capacitor to 0.01 nanofarad, source voltage to 10 volt, and then change or vary the frequency from 50 Hz in regular steps. So first set the value of load resistance to 10 kilo ohm, load capacitor to 0.01 nanofarad, and input voltage is 10 volt. After setting all these values, set the input frequency to 50, and then we have to change the frequency value and then plot a graph for this low pass filter response. So just click on add to table, then change the value of frequency. To plot a graph, we need 8 to 10 values or variation in the frequency, so that we can get a proper representation of frequency and gain in our graph. So you can see the magnitude, output voltage and phase in the experimental table. The next step is to plot a graph. Just click on plot. If you want a frequency response, then click on frequency response, or for phase response you just click on phase response. So by clicking on frequency response, this is the graph of first order low pass filter. This RC circuit is passing all the low frequencies, and when the frequency is greater than 100k, the gain is going to decrease. Here we are considering our gain in decibel. So this is all about the first order low pass filter. Thank you.